Hello, Josh. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Milo, and you're watching Trading Cards, where we open trading cards up on YouTube. We also do trades. If you want more information about that, you could check the About section. And if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Well, wait on the comment until you see this. Till you see what I got for you today. We are going to be opening up this at the end. It is historic autographs, famous Americans. Could open a Dean Martin swatch in that. We also are going to start with Ghostbusters 2. So, who are you going to call? After Pete Alonso, right? I don't really remember this movie that well. Oh, cool. Cool, it's like a jigsaw puzzle with shattered gum. Oh, this is cool. Yeah, that's alright. That's cool. Yeah, wow, this is very cool. Cool thing to be happening. Looks like it says no. That's haunting. Okay, so there's a sticker. This is for trade if you're interested. We have At the Museum, The Confrontation, and Stents Survives a Sliming. These are the off-centered backs. Ghostbusters 2. Stents used by Vigo as a shield against the Ghostbusters slime blowers survives the onslaught. Groovy. Our slime-covered hero says with a dazed smile, "I've never felt better in my life." Continued on next exciting card. Right, we've got to look out for that exciting card. Well, that gum, I'm definitely going to eat that for dinner later. Alright, let's probably go to this pack here. Because it's Extreme! Generation Extreme. This is Mountain Dew, Extreme Sports Trading Cards. So let's see if we can open any cards of rollerblading. I bet there's some good rollerblading in here. Sweepstakes entry card. Whoa, gotta fill that out afterwards. Oh, spoilers. Alright, so we got some boring snow sports. We got Brian. Oh, we got Jim rock climbing. That's what Jim does. Jim's into that. Oh, George. Whatever this is. Riding a surfboard down a waterfall. No, I believe it's like this. But they just wanted to make it look like he was doing a sport nobody's heard of. Kirk. Kirk looks like he's in trouble. Somebody help Kirk. Charles. Oh, he's in charge. He's in first. Charles. I thought these. He had two Bryans. Or maybe Brian just is really athletic and he does skiing and whitewater rafting as well. Oh, we got this Joe. This Joe. And you know how Joe do. This is how Joe do. Oh, Tony. It's a Tony. Why aren't the names? Oh, I bet that's Tony Hawk. Yep. This is when he was 25 years old. Tony is skating's premier rider. He has been featured in many films and video, including Gleaming the Cube in '88 and a bunch of Gatorade, Coke, and Mountain Dew ads. He has won the NSA series for the past 9 years. When he's not competing, he enjoys hanging out with his wife and baby. Peter. You can't forget Peter. You cannot have an extreme sports set without Peter. And Yana, course, Yana. Finally, got a lady too. All right, and we got 2 packs left. We got this one over here, and then we got the famous Americans. So we have this pack of Frazada during the card boom, you know, in the late 90s, mid 90s maybe, early 90s, 80s, 1940s. A lot of these artists like Boris Vallejo, Frank Frazada, countless others created their own trading cards of their illustrations. And a lot of these are actually the prettiest cards. They look so good. I mean, the artwork itself is great. And this is what the back looks like. Oh, you can get even more artwork on the back. 1991. Produced by Comic Images Inc. in Saddlebrook, New Jersey. Ooh, wow, Frazada. It was quite amazing. What is this, the Headless Horseman? Or just a rodeo? We got some goblins here. Trolls, goblins, orcs. Naked guy fighting, what is this, a puma? Naked man versus puma. Gorilla versus snake. Wow, this one's cool. We got one of outer space. Ooh, it's Dracula. Hey, it's the Tree of Life. And we got one last card in the front. Okay. Okay, Frazada. Alright. Okay. And we will move on over to historic autographs, famous Americans, including the Canadian John Candy and Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. Such famous Americans. Everybody knows them mostly for being Americans. Grantland Rice, Kid Nichols, Franz Rudolf Wurlitzer. I guess he created the piano maybe? Or Andrew Mellon created Mellons, I know him. Victor Herbert. Grantland Rice again? In the same pack? Oh wait. This one says Inspire. And so does this one. Ah! Who's this? John Brown? Ooh, we got a foiled Julia Ward Howe. Let's find out about her. In 1861, she wrote the lyrics for the Battle Hymn of the Republic, possibly on the suggestion of Abraham Lincoln. Wow. Howe was the founder and president for the New England Women's Suffrage Association and a co-leader of the American Woman Suffrage Association. In 1876, she was the founder and president of the Association of American Women advocating for women's education. After her death, her children wrote her biography, which won a Pulitzer Prize. One of only 150 of these were made. Sojourner Truth. And Samuel Sweat Green. Alright, so that was it. What did you all think of the opening? What do you think was the best card that we got? Probably the Tony Hawk, right? The Tony Hawk has got to be the best card. Which surprises me that it was in that pack. But whatever. Let me know if you knew who any of the other extreme sports people were, or if you liked Ghostbusters too, or if you want to eat this gum I got. Alright, take care everybody. Bye-bye.